So as you can see in this video, here are the primary colors, the color red, green, and blue. So as you can see, if we combine our primary colors, the result is white. But if you remove one primary color, example, if you remove color green, the color will change into magenta.
So next is the color blue plus green is equals to color cyan. This is our color cyan. Next, green plus red is equals to color yellow. This is our color yellow. This is the principles of color mixing. The color cyan, yellow, and the magenta. That's all. Thank you.